Mullein, scientifically known as Verbascum thapsus, is a biennial plant renowned for its medicinal properties. Mullein is known by many other names, including flannel plant, Aaron's rod, hagtaper, torches, and velvet plant. This versatile herb is native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, but has also found its way to other parts of the world, including North America, where it thrives in dry, rocky soils, open fields, and along roadsides. Identification of mullein is relatively straightforward, with its distinctive appearance characterized by a tall, erect stem, often reaching heights of up to 2 meters or approximately 6-7 feet tall. The plant boasts large, soft, fuzzy leaves arranged in a rosette during its first year of growth, followed by a towering flower spike adorned with delicate yellow flowers in its second year. Disclaimer: it's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Medicinal uses: mullein has a long history of traditional use for treating various ailments, thanks to its rich array of active compounds. Parts of the mullein plant used medicinally. Leaves: the large fuzzy leaves of the mullein plant are often harvested and used in teas, tinctures, or poultices to address respiratory issues, skin conditions, and gastrointestinal complaints. Flowers: the yellow flowers of the mullein plant contain beneficial compounds and are also utilized for their medicinal properties. They are commonly included in herbal preparations for respiratory support and skin health. Roots: while less commonly used than the leaves and flowers, the roots of the mullein plant also possess medicinal properties and may be included in some herbal preparations, particularly those targeting specific ailments such as gastrointestinal issues. Practitioners of herbal medicine have utilized these different parts of the plant for diverse health concerns. Respiratory conditions: mullein is particularly prized for its efficacy in addressing respiratory issues such as bronchitis, emphysema, laryngitis, tracheitis, asthma, and tuberculosis. The leaves and flowers contain expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties, making them valuable in soothing irritated airways and facilitating easier breathing. Skin health: mullein possesses antiseptic and vulnerary properties, making it useful in treating skin wounds, snake bites, ulcers, and tumors. Applied topically as a poultice or infused oil, it can help cleanse wounds, promote tissue repair, and alleviate discomfort. Ear health: mullein oil has been traditionally used to address earaches and ear infections. A few drops of warmed mullein oil, gently inserted into the affected ear, can help relieve pain and inflammation while combating microbial infections. Sunburn and inflammatory skin conditions: the soothing properties of mullein make it beneficial for alleviating sunburn and inflammatory skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. A cooled infusion or compress applied to the affected area can provide relief and promote healing. Warts, cramps, and muscle spasms: mullein has been employed in folk medicine to treat warts, alleviate cramps, and ease muscle spasms. Topical application of mullein-infused oil or ointment may help reduce discomfort and promote relaxation. Gastrointestinal issues: mullein has a history of use in addressing gastrointestinal complaints, including issues related to worms. Consumed as a tea or tincture, it can help soothe inflammation, alleviate discomfort, and support digestive health. Harvesting and precautions: mullein leaves and flowers are typically harvested during the plant's flowering stage, which occurs in its second year of growth. It's essential to gather the plant from clean, uncontaminated areas to ensure its safety and efficacy. While mullein is generally considered safe for most individuals when used as directed, pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before using mullein medicinally. Additionally, individuals with known allergies to plants in the Scrofulariaceae family, which includes mullein, should avoid its use to prevent potential allergic reactions. Mullein stands as a testament to the healing power of nature, offering a wealth of therapeutic benefits for various health concerns. Whether addressing respiratory issues, promoting skin health, or easing gastrointestinal discomfort, this humble herb continues to prove its worth in the realm of natural medicine.